Good morning, everyone. Folks, today we are on a long drive all the way to Michigan. It's about 9 hours and some change, depending on traffic. More like 10 hours when we're all said and done. It is 5 o'clock in the morning exactly. Yeah, let's do this, right?
Let's do it.
Towards the Tennessee border up here in the mountains, and it's snowing.
Wow.
And we're sitting right at 32 degrees, so you gotta be careful because these roads could get slick. As soon as we get up over the mountain, head down into Kentucky, it should be, look at that.
Wow.
Once we get down to Kentucky, it should be a lot better. It should warm up about 10 degrees. So
Driving in a winter wonderland.
Kentucky. We're here. Good morning, Kentucky. Oh, I got a nice little Christmas tree. Oh, and they have cardinals in it. Yeah, we're here. We have made it. So we're right here at the Tennessee-Kentucky border. We gotta drive all the way up through Lexington here, up into Cincinnati. These bring back memories growing up. My dad would always stop and get these, and we would look for hotels along the road. And sometimes you gotta read the fine print because it's only on certain days of the week. But they were real helpful, at least back then. Now with the internet, you can book your hotel online, and yeah, but brings back a lot of memories. Road tripping, you know.
Road tripping.
And ooh, it is cold and it's snowing. It's snowing, it's cold, it's freezing. But let's go ahead, let's get up towards Ohio. This is supposed to stop, so, but yeah, we'll see. There's this man who lived in Tennessee, and he was heading for Pennsylvania and some homemade pumpkin pie. They got a pretty decent amount of snow on the ground here in Kentucky. So we've been debating if we want to stop at Buc-ee's up here, fill up. I think we will stop at Buc-ee's, fill up the car. We're about half a tank right now. Well, not many folks here this morning. As I was getting off the exit ramp, I slid. So there's definitely ice. And gas is $2.79 and $3.49 for the premium. And we're here at gas pump 204. It's a little cold out here, isn't it, buddy? You're all covered in snow. And their New Year's Eve stuff is out. And look at this drink mug. That is really cool. It's a Yukon. That's the New Year's Eve shirt for 2025. Pretty cool. And it glows in the dark. Yeah, it glows in the dark. Oh wow, this is cool. There's that little Bucky in there. He's driving the pickup. Santa Bucky. And yet again, they always have great merchandise. That's a really nice, fun t-shirt there. Very cool. Got lots of t-shirts for Dawn for Christmas. I'm gonna have to do a little shopping. And with all this snow up here in Kentucky, I'm definitely in the spirit. Of course, they have lots of great Christmas merchandise. Well, this is a newer hat. I don't think I've ever seen this hat before. Definitely festive. What do they want for something like that? Oh, $13 for that festive hat. And they have a Bucky Christmas tree. Oh yeah, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. That's a fun tee. It's only $18. And it is early in the morning. And look at the great big case of beef jerky. Not a lot of folks here. One of the biggest reasons we stopped, the restrooms. And a little breakfast at Bucky's. They have a brisket egg taco. Ooh, they have the beast burrito. Oh yes, I absolutely love the pecans, but not this time. That stuff's expensive, isn't it? So we did get a little breakfast sandwich. Yes, we haven't had breakfast this morning. I absolutely love these little Bucky Santas. I got some really nice Christmas ornaments over here. I should have put my jacket on, but I figured we were just getting out of the car for a few minutes. But we're all fueled up. We got some breakfast sandwiches, and we got 6 more hours to drive. 6.5 more hours to drive. Our door handles were frozen when we tried to get back in. I washed the car yesterday, and it's freezing.
The drains are frozen.
And of course, I don't know if I've ever had their breakfast sandwich before. I've always went the brisket. There's nothing really special. It's just a croissant with some bacon.
Bacon, eggs, and cheese.
Yep, nothing. Alright, so the road conditions are worsening. And yet again, I slid back there again. You can see that the snow is starting to build up on the road. It looks extremely icy. So we're just outside of Cincinnati, between Dayton and Cincinnati, and this is the first rest area as you come in, heading north. And we're gonna go in and use the facilities. And they did get a little bit of snow, a little bit, a nice little dusting, and it's cold. We should have our jackets on, but we don't. But we're just getting out of the car real quick. And rest areas have come a long way, haven't they? I remember when they used to look like that. Well, Dawn, are you stretching those legs? Yeah. We still got, I think,
5 hours or something like that.
No, it's like 4 hours. 4 hours and some change, yeah. Let's go ahead and get to getting. Hoping to meet up with Denise tonight in tow. Maybe have some dinner and look at some Christmas lights. So we made it to Port Huron, and you worked here once, didn't you?
Yeah, like 40 some years ago.
A long time ago. Palms Krystal Bar and Grill, and they're known for their chickens called Chicken in the Rough.
Yeah.
and it's a local favorite. Yeah, we're gonna head on in. And the cool thing is a little bit of your history because you worked here.
Yeah.
How long did you work here for? 2 days?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. She worked here for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
It is snowing a little bit. You see it? A little bit of snow. Of course, we have Denise and Toe with us tonight. This is their hometown. Yeah, so if you know Port Huron, you'll know the Palms Krystal Bar and Grill. Chicken in the rough. They got this amazing neon sign. It's got the chicken up there. Chicken in the rough. And it's right here in downtown Port Huron. And I love the chasing lights. Kind of reminds me of like Las Vegas or something. And this place has been here as long as I could ever remember. But yeah, we're going to head on in. They're already in there. It's got a really cool atmosphere in here. Look at this. Look at the glass block, and it's got that old diner like window. Yeah, this place is amazing. Look at this. I love the... Wow, yeah. Great. And they also have great chicken here as well. Look at that, there's a little chicken in the lemon. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
So you worked here, huh?
Yeah, for 3 weeks.
You don't sound like you're proud of that.
No.
So they were established in 1936, and they have a pretty big menu. In fact, they have a lot more than just chicken, but I'm gonna go ahead and get their traditional. I'm gonna go with the traditional chicken dinner here. And yeah, I'm excited for this. Denise, you're looking good. Toe's looking good. Had Jimmy Stewart, and he was in a bar, he was drinking, and he was having a bad. So then he walked out, and he technically jumped off the bridge. Just a wonderful life. Yeah, it was a wonderful life. And then of course the angel, you know what I mean, takes him. It's pretty cool. This place reminds me of like that bar. Right, you know, Jimmy Stewart would be over there.
Got a garden salad.
Ooh, wow, looks good. Yes, raspberry vinaigrette, and Denise got the side salad too with honey mustard. Yeah. So they have the holiday drink specials. They got Rudolph's Martini. They got Mr. Claus's Martini, the Grinch, White Christmas, homemade eggnog, and they have a frozen hot chocolate. I wonder if they make like a virgin of that. That'd be kind of cool. So their legendary chicken is here, and it smells amazing. Of course, the whole place smells like it. I got French fries, some coleslaw. I got the half a chicken, so it'll be a breast, a thigh. And then there's Denise's fish and chips, tartar, cod. You got the same thing I did. and
Cod.
and the cod. So you and they oh boy, and fish in Michigan is good, especially when it comes to cod. Well, okay, let's dig in, I guess. Wow. What do you think of that coleslaw?
It's good.
It is good. Yes, the fries are good, and the fish. Look at the fish.
It's good. You made some with fish.
The chicken is piping hot. I love the breading. I love the flavor. It's like a buttery. It's crispy. Really, really good.
Did you want tartar sauce? This is good.
Oh wow, the cod is really good. We're so close to Canada that putting vinegar on your fries is a thing. Not everybody does it. Maybe if you have a little bit of Canadian, I guess it's an American thing too, but I don't know, my Canadian relatives always covered everything in fish and everything. And our total came out to $81.85. Do you want to go back to Tennessee and hang out on the shelf? Yes, I would love to hang out on the shelf. Chin 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 chin. You ever seen a movie Christine with the car? Well, here's the chicken. Chin 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 chin. There's an old photo of it, and where that house is there is the parking lot, and the building stands alone today, but that's what it looked like back in the day there. An American Road magazine. They were in an issue. Well, that was really good, wasn't it?
Double doors.
Double doors, huh? So one thing I'll say about Michigan is they have good chicken. And this place here is one of the best. And it must be something to do with the German immigrants that had settled Michigan or something. But the chicken is amazing. It is snowing. But oh my goodness, man, I am full. The chicken was top notch. So this is Dawn's hometown of Port Huron, Michigan. If you're not familiar with her past videos here, there's a couple videos in the library. And of course, that's the Blue Water Bridge there. And across the way is Canada. It's Sarnia, Ontario over there. So this is your guys' hometown where you guys grew up here in Port Huron. And they put on a really good display, don't they?
Yeah.
A Christmas display. And take a look at this. Little carriage with some light up rims. A little bling bling. And a really cool Christmas tree here. Quite big. I'd say it's at least 30, 40 foot tall. So what are these guys doing here? I think they're making candy canes, right? He's got the machine here, and then the candy canes get tossed out of it. And I think they go into Santa's bag over there. Santa's bag of goodness. Being so close to the water here, you'll see a lot of nautical theming going on. And we're supposed to get a little bit of snow tonight, just a little bit. They said maybe a little dusting, and it's just starting up. So the lighthouse is not working at the moment, but of course got this little sailboat over here. And not too far from here, in fact, on the other side of them homes over there, that's where Thomas Edison grew up. It's his boyhood home. And Port Huron is known as Thomas Edison's boyhood home. I had to get my hat out because the cold will get to you.
Yeah.
You can stand it for maybe 5 minutes or so, and then you need your gloves, you need your hat. So these three reindeer are up to absolutely no good, especially this one over here. It almost looks like a mug shot there. It does. And Denise, like, hurry up because I'm scrunched down. And then you got Toe. Oh yeah, this guy here is wanted. Yeah, that guy's wanted for sure. A little photo opportunity for the kids. Yeah, you're kind of like, yeah, ruby red slippers, right? And you know that wind comes off the lake, and it'll get you. It will get you. They're getting ready for Christmas. They're in the decorating spirit. Decorating spirit.
Yes.
Denise looks cold.
I think he's melting.
I think he's melting.
Help, I'm melting. Oh, I'm melted.
Oh yeah, I remember these guys. They're the linemen. And there's like an ice storm. You see the icicles hanging from the power lines, and the linemen are keeping the power on so everybody can stay warm in their little gingerbread homes. That's cool. And boating is huge in this area. And you got Santa here. It does, it does. Yeah. Santa Claus! Ho, 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 ho.
I'm gonna ride with Santa in a sleigh tonight.
That's a huge sleigh.
Yeah.
It is freezing. Oh my goodness. We drove about 6 miles away, and we're here in Marysville, Michigan. This is Marysville Park. And they put on one heck of a display. And Merry Christmas. And you can donate glasses right there. Well, that's really cool. And you got leader dogs. Get the Keebler elf over there. Wow, this is cool. It's a nice little display here. You donate your glasses. I actually do have a pair of glasses I could donate. I think an old pair. You know, older pairs. No, not with me at the moment. Frosty the Snowman. So they have a National Lampoon's Family Christmas, a Griswold Christmas. Are you serious, Clark? And there's Cousin Eddie. Cousin Eddie's got some good-looking legs. Just saying. I think it's a girl mannequin, but they get an A for putting this together.
Clark's falling off the ladder right there, trying to hang up.
Yeah, actually, yeah, Clark's back there. Wow, this is actually pretty cool. I like it. I love the. I knew Cousin Eddie was a Toe fan. I knew. I've known this for a while. Toe was saying, "Don't catch the snowflakes on your tongue, because across the river is the Chemical Valley, Canada's Chemical Valley, and you know, of course, they're pumping all kinds of fun things in the air over there." Okay, so this might be the most I've ever seen it snow ever. Look at this. And everybody's got their emergencies on. And you can't even see the, like, where the road begins or ends or anything. In fact, I don't know what's going on, to be honest with you.
They're all stopped.
You know, and that was like the most I've ever seen snow come down so quickly. And the roads turned to a sheet of ice like instantly. I mean, you could tell. Look at the road. It's a sheet of ice. Whoa.
What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Help, yeah.
We're sliding. Are we even close to right here?
Yeah, we're right here. And I was just going along, and then all of a sudden it was like, boom! It was like a blizzard. It was almost like blizzard-like. And then I couldn't see nothing. I didn't know if I was in a ditch or anything.
Wow, it is a whole sheet of ice.
Yeah, you can see how it reflects. You see that?
And everybody's doing like 20 miles an hour, that's fine. They got their flashers on.
Yeah, that was a complete whiteout, and the roads went instantaneous, just ice. It was like, it was just crazy. But, this all happened within about a minute or so, didn't it? It was like, and then all of a sudden, boom, it was white.
It's coming down in buckets.
Welcome to Michigan.
Michigan weather's crazy.
It is. Well, the weather outside is frightful, but the air inside's delightful. And if you got no place to go,
let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I think we need to go to Horton's across the street and get ourselves a hot chocolate.
Yeah.
But I guess you got snow for Christmas, didn't you?
Yep. Snow for Christmas.
Snow for Christmas. Isn't that he's got Snowball. They call him the Speedway Bandit. He hangs out here and throws snowball at people trying to pump gas in their vehicles. Look at this! Look at this! What is going on? Whoa! I guess we're here at Tim Hortons. We're gonna grab a couple of hot chocolates, and this weather here is perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that. I got a Christmas tree donut, and oh wow, they look good, don't they? Mm-hmm. We'll have to all take one and share it.
I'll take this one.
Already?
Yeah. I've been wanting one.
So we got Tim Hortons, hot cocoa, some donuts. Well, seeing that we got all this snow, there is a Griswold that lives in this neighborhood, and he follows in the footsteps of greatness. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Well, first off, I wouldn't want to pay his electric bill. Look at this. Oh my gosh, he scared me because I thought he's dancing. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my. Well, this is where Santa lives, right? Okay, so this guy takes decorating to a whole new level.
like the gumdrop trees with the lights. Very festive, and the snow just fell on them. Really pretty.
Very beautiful homes in here as well.
Mm-hmm. Like the whole neighborhood went on decorating. They must decorate after Halloween, because this would take a lot of time and effort. Even the trees got like Christmas lights that light up in the trees.
And a lot of these homes are as perfect as a picture. Look at the architecture in these homes. Of course, you have a nativity down here. And look at this home here. Very, very grand.
I like the ornament bulbs in the tree. There's like 7 snowmen in this family right there.
And take a look at this house. Yeah, the old man would be proud. He would.
The grand prize, the leg lamp. Oh, that's funny.
Fragile. It's French, right? Anyways, the Fort Gratiot Lighthouse is decorated for Christmas as well. Yeah, they do know how to do Christmas here in Port Huron.
It was a good day. A lot of snow.
Yeah.
A lot of driving in the snow.
And it just came down all of a sudden, didn't it?
Yeah.
And boy, it's great to be back visiting with family and friends. And that's what we're going to be doing for the next couple of days. But we are going to have some videos for you all. So stay tuned. A little Michigan Christmas and a little bit of a road trip travel. Because it's Christmas time and we like to search out Christmas. Folks, we love you and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Lord willing and the creek don't rise, they'll take you to see the countryside, driving all over Tennessee in their little yellow Jeep. You can come along wherever they go. All you gotta do is watch the show. So be sure you tune in. Don, would you do this again?